How can you rename a file or folder using My Document? Right steps. Solution: you must have write or modify permissions to a file, folder, or directory to rename it. In some cases, you may need administrator privileges in the operating system to rename. To rename a file or folder, right-click the item, or click the ellipses, then select Rename. This will open up a text box where you can change the file name. You can also rename a file from the preview screen. Note: folder paths have a limit of 255 characters, so keep folder and files names as concise as possible to avoid running up against this limit.
How can you change a password? Right steps. Solution: all your passwords can be made strong and unique in 5 steps. 1. Select a password manager. 2. Set up your password manager. 3. Let your password manager save usernames and passwords for you. 4. Run a password audit. 5. When you receive an alert, update your affected password.
Write the steps for locating a file. Searching is the process of finding a file on the computer. The steps to search a file are as follows. Step 1. Click the computer icon that is available on the desktop. The Search Computer box appears at the extreme right side of the window. Step 2. Enter the file name to be searched in the system in the Search Computer box. Step 3. The computer will look for all the files throughout the system and show the results in the window. Write the steps for protecting your document for track changes. To turn on track changes, from the Review tab, click the Track Changes command. Track changes will be turned on. From this point on, any changes you make to the document will appear as colored markups.
Explain how a worksheet is protected using a password. Applying a password to secure an Excel workbook. To apply a password to an Excel workbook, follow these steps. 1. Open the Excel file you wish to secure. 2. Choose Protect Workbook from the Review tab. 3. Select Structure in the Protect Structure in Windows dialog box. 4. Enter a password to secure the workbook. Prevent users from making changes to the structure of a workbook by turning on workbook protection. 5. Click OK. When a workbook is protected, the Protect Workbook tool in the ribbon remains selected. 6. Close the file. You can choose not to save it.